Hi everyone. I've been a coach now for about 10 years, and there is a common thread of what people regret the most. Now, time lost staying with someone that wasn't good for them. Regret not having any peace mentally because of being totally overwhelmed. And the fear of how someone else behaves, giving up on career and hobbies that meant a lot to you along the way, because you have spent time meeting someone else's needs. And also because you may have thought it was love, but later on you saw it might have been something else. Maybe grief also over the loss of friendships, being so caught up in the drama of a relationship that it pulls you away from doing the hobbies that you love and enjoying your friends, your family, that the relationship is so all-consuming that you neglect a lot of these things that you know deep down do mean a lot to you, but you're sacrificing that because of the relationship. So it is about learning from the past so that you stop doing it from now on, make better decisions for the now, and I think spending time alone to regroup, to exhale, to reground yourself, to rebalance. And that way you can reunite with someone from the past, or start a new relationship, but on a completely different footing. And then you can grow with this person. And when you choose someone that is not threatened by you, and you don't have to shrink to make them feel better about themselves, the relationships can be extremely good. So these are the regrets that I hear over and over again over the last 10 years. And hopefully if you see this video and you're in the middle of some of this, you can make some changes now so that you don't end up with these regrets later on. Lots of love, everyone.